Just took this trade and lost it. It was just hit my stop loss. Even though I thought it was quite a good trade, but it's what it is. I actually think I should have won this trade. Well, I would have won it if I did this thing right. Um, I was supposed to take my TPs earlier, but I just thought I had confidence in it going up, so I just left it, and then I got stopped out. But yeah, let's get to it. 4 hour. I did just go over it in the video before. 4 hours in an uptrend. 1 hour. Also, we did actually break structure to the downside, so we was on the 5 minute. 5 minute, lots of consolidation. We in a Asian session there was consolidation as well. We manipulated and rose up again. Manipulate consolidation. So I thought we're gonna do the same. Manipulate these London session lows and then go higher, which we did. We swept out these lows, and what I nearly did, because I was so confident in the trade that I thought I'll just do it on the 1 minute. I nearly took a trade, like literally. I set the limit order and everything, stopped the limit order just before because I realised that's just not my strategy. So I was just trying to go against it, being overconfident. Yeah, so I waited for a 5 minute breaking order flow, which happened after this getting these lows swept out, break a structure here, and then I entered off of the retrace into the order block, and I wanted my first TP to be at this 15 minute high. But after I saw this big candle up, I thought, do you know what? It's gonna keep going up. So I'll just wait. I'll just take off that one and wait for this one. And that one was at a little bit more. It was at like a 1 to 1.2. Sorry, this one was a 0.8. We would have won if we just took partials at this 0.8, moved it to stop break even, which I should have done really, because I have been favouring the smaller TPs. Like, yeah, we would have been another 0.8% up now, which would have taken us to probably like 2% up, but now we're 1% down pretty much. Yeah. This is the thing. Like, a lot of people shit against like smaller risk to reward ratios, and like they say, oh yeah, you're risking like your rewards less than what you risk, but then the probability of me getting to that reward is so much higher. Like everyone like raves about 1 to 2 RRs, but like, yeah, it's good if you're getting to that, if you're hitting TP every time, like not every time, but like most of the time. But if the target's that much higher, then it's just less probability of it getting up there. Like you could say that 1 to 10 is the best risk to reward ratio because you only need 1 out of 10 trades to be profitable. But then the chances of you winning 1 out of 10 trades with an RR of 1 to 10 is so much less. So I do think I am liking the 1 to 1 or even less for my first TP. I am liking that recently, and I should have done it here, but I didn't, and I lost. So even it's just one trade. Like it doesn't mean it was a bad trade. It could well have just swept out these London session highs, which it probably will do now, as you can see this getting some legs up. But yeah, just something to consider in the future. Just don't be like, it's sort of like embarrassing to take less than a 1 to 1 RR because it feels like kind of noobish, but the win rate's like so high when you do it. Like if I won this, it would have been 8 out of my last 10 trades won, which is pretty good, like very good for me. But that's okay. Now it's 6 out of my last 10. So yeah, it's fine. We'll just move on to the next one. Take what we learn. One thing I will say is like my psychology after starting this evaluation. It's just like everything's so much more intense. Like on demo, I really didn't care. Like I got to the point where I really didn't care whether I won or lost. Here, I do feel kind of down now that I'm in the red again, and but that's just you just got to numb yourself to it. You got to detach from it, and yeah, hopefully I'll be able to. I feel like I am just on the brink of profitability. I just need the proof to back it myself up. Yeah, don't think my bias was wrong. Maybe we are a bit oversold, but I like the way that longs looked here. My TPs would have just been these hourly highs up here, just because there wasn't nothing anywhere in the vicinity, and that would my top one would have been a 1 to 3. Could have targeted these up here. Maybe it will reach that today, but who knows? Yeah, look, just been swept out, just been used as liquidity. It's fine. Yeah, that's all I got to say. I think we did have SMT as well, although the EU did look more bearish, which I was kind of wary of. But yeah, it is what it is, man. We take the loss, we move on. It's just another day. Yeah, as I said in the last video, tomorrow won't be probably won't be a trading day. There's so much red news, but hopefully get it back Friday or next week or whenever. Just I know I really want to pass this funded like really badly, which is why I'm probably seeing like having a lot more emotions during trading. But yeah, I just got to numb myself to that and learn and just get more experience on. Alright, just catching a bit.